7 pro fire pit hacks I wish I knew sooner. Game-changing tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Viana Home Channel. Owning a fire pit is awesome, but there's a learning curve. I've spent years dealing with smoky fires, struggling to get them lit, and making a huge mess. I learned all these little tricks the hard way. But you don't have to. Today, I'm sharing my secrets. These are the pro hacks that make owning a fire pit so much easier. These are the 7 fire pit hacks I wish I knew sooner. Hack number 1, the junk food fire starter. Forget those expensive fire starter bricks. Go to your pantry. Got a bag of Fritos, Doritos, any of those oily, starchy corn chips. They are one of the best fire starters on the planet. They light up instantly and burn for a surprisingly long time. Just pile a handful under your kindling and you'll have a fire in seconds. Hack number 2, the upside down fire build. This will change your life. We're all taught to build a fire teepee style. Little stuff on the bottom, big stuff on top. Wrong. Do it upside down. Put your big main logs on the bottom, then a layer of medium-sized wood, then your small kindling on top, and light it from the top. The fire will slowly burn down like a candle. It creates a hotter, cleaner fire with way less smoke. It's the set it and forget it fire build. Hack number 3, the natural mosquito repellent. Are mosquitoes ruining your vibe? You don't need to spray yourself with sticky bug spray. Just go to the grocery store and buy a bundle of sage, the herb. Just toss the whole dry bundle right into your fire. The smoke it creates is a powerful mosquito repellent, and it actually smells pretty good. Hack number 4, the muffin tin s'more station. S'mores are mandatory, but they're messy. You've got bags of marshmallows everywhere, broken chocolate bars, and sticky graham crackers. The solution is a muffin tin. It's the perfect organizer. Marshmallows in 1 cup, Hershey's in another, Reese's Cups in a third. You can prep it all inside, carry it out on 1 tray, and everyone can see all the options. It's simple, it's clean, and it looks pro. Hack number 5, the ash layer hack. Cleaning out ash is the worst. Here's a trick for next time. Before you build your first fire in a clean pit, lay down a 2-inch thick layer of sand or cat litter at the bottom. This base layer makes cleanup so much easier. It absorbs moisture and prevents that nasty ash sludge from sticking to the bottom of your pit. Hack number 6, the no-smell ash cleanup. Okay, your pit is full of ash. Don't scoop it into a trash bag. The fine dust will go everywhere and you'll be covered in it. The solution is a shop vac. Wait until the ashes are 100% cold. I mean, wait 48 hours. Then just vacuum them out. It's a 30-second, dust-free cleanup. Hack number 7, the IKEA bag log carrier. This is my favorite. Need to bring firewood from your wood pile to the pit? Don't try to carry it in your arms. Just use one of those big blue IKEA shopping bags. They're super strong, waterproof, they hold the perfect amount of wood, and the wood scraps and bark all stay inside the bag, not all over your lawn. And that's it, a few simple hacks to make your fire pit nights easier. Which one was your favorite? Got any hacks of your own? Drop them in the comments, and if you want to be the smartest homeowner on your block, make sure you're subscribed to the Viana Home Channel. Thanks for watching.